Instant action. Motorcycle wheelie launches, but wait, a floating helmet appears. That's the invisible passenger glitch, fully working right now. Grab any two-seater bike, invite a friend, and sometimes their body vanishes, leaving a ghostly helmet-riding shotgun. Drive through Vinewood, NPCs freak out, cops chase but can't spot your ghostly partner. Players report using this to prank lobbies and cause hilarious chaos. Try drive-bys or ramp jumps for pure mayhem. Would you trust a ghost to back you up in a heist? Smash subscribe for tomorrow's GTA fire.